just a very quick review. What a nice machine. This is light, enough power. It's fun to drive. I like it a lot. CST tires, I believe. Ambro 4 tires. There are tubeless tires. 90-21. 140 70-18 on the back. That's exactly the same as my KTM. ABS, J1 brakes, KYB suspensions, the compression and rebound adjustable bash plates. Everything looks like it's properly built. The seat is probably not the most comfortable. These mirrors, apparently they're gonna fold. The TFT is nice, looks good. The ABS is on again, or not? Ah, there it is. So if you just press this, the little off-road thing pops up there. The gearbox is actually okay. The lever for the clutch, I don't know. I don't like this clutch feeling. Touching it and feeling it is like, I don't know. A little bit hard. Legs are on an odd place. Get the higher seats. This exhaust sounds amazing. It's 5,900 euros or something. Very hard to beat. Very hard to beat. So there it is. Yeah, cool. Gotta ride a little bit more. See you in a minute.